Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate a Merrick Bank credit card. Login and account setup step by step clearly. Make sure you have your new Merrick Bank credit card, your social security number, and your mobile phone or email ready. Locate the activation sticker on your card or the welcome letter to confirm the official activation website or phone number. Open a secure browser on your phone or computer and type the official Merrick Bank cardholder site address exactly as provided. Check that the web address is correct and that you are on a secure page before entering any personal information. Click the option that says Activate Card or Card Activation. Enter your card number exactly as it appears on the front of your card. Provide the requested personal details, such as the last 4 digits of your SSN and your zip code, to verify your identity. Review the information on the screen for accuracy and correct any typos. Submit the activation request and wait for the confirmation message that your card is active. If the website is unavailable, call the activation phone number listed on the sticker or documentation and follow the automated prompts. After activation, return to the Merrick Bank cardholder site and choose Register or Create Online Account. Enter your name and personal details exactly as they appear in Merrick Bank records to avoid verification errors. Create a unique username that you can remember, but others cannot easily guess. Create a strong password using a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Confirm your password carefully to ensure both entries match. Select and set up security questions and answers that only you would know. Add your email address and mobile number so you can receive alerts and account notifications. Complete any verification step, such as a one-time passcode sent by text or email. Sign in with your new username and password to confirm your login works. Navigate to Profile or Account Settings to review your contact information and mailing address. Turn on account alerts for payments due, transactions, and balance updates if the option is available. Go to Payment Options or make a payment and add your bank account details if you plan to pay online. Choose your preferred payment method, such as one-time payments or autopay, based on your budget. Set a reminder for your statement closing date and payment due date to avoid late fees. Review your credit limit and available credit so you understand how much you can spend. Check the Transactions section to monitor purchases and confirm everything looks correct. Save the customer service number in your phone in case you need help with disputes or account access. Log out after setup, especially if you used a shared device, to protect your account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.